All right, we are in downtown Lake Forest here at Westwood Square, and there's an older Esco in here, I believe from the 80s. And this place has unfortunately seen a lot of closures over the years, and it's not looking very good for this strip mall, or for this shopping plaza, whatever you want to call it. That used to be a barber. That has always been closed. This has opened up into something, and then that pizza place has been in here for a while, but it's just moved around. But yeah, unfortunately a lot of closed down business and storefronts. La Cantina, you wonder if that's something opening up or that's just the development company. But anyway, we got one thing that in here that has not changed is the old Esco. This thing's exactly as it was 15 years ago when I first wrote it. Well, except this area's seen a little bit of a paint job and a freshening up, but the elevator is the exact same. Let's take a ride. I believe this is from the 80s, but I know it's an Esco. Cool. Here's the parking garage down here. Sounds like there's some fan going somewhere. I don't know. Anyway, up we go, up to 2. All right, we'll go back down now. Very basic elevator, but it's a decent one. Wait. Anyway, that will be it.